G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. Today I have a very special guest who's going to introduce himself in just a moment and let us know what he does on a Monday or anytime really to make a difference in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Kathy. So my name is Winston Ben Clements. I just had the opportunity to listen to Kathy deliver an amazing keynote. So definitely recommend her as a speaker. But just for my motivation, Monday motivation, what I do is I go around the world speaking on the topics of resilience. My story, just to kind of sum it up in 20 seconds, is I was born with a condition known as brittle bones disorder, which meant that by the age of 12, I had fractured over 150 bones, and then my total lifetime count is 200 broken bones, which is quite a big number for anyone who's ever experienced that level of pain. But now I use my story and my lessons to help people overcome their limitations, whether it's in education, in business, or just through personal life challenges. So hopefully, you'll get to look me up and I'll be able to share some value with you as well.
Thank you. And can you let us know how we can get in touch with you?
Yeah, sure. So probably the best place to reach me is winstonclements.com. That's CLEMENTS. winstonclements.com. It's got all my information there.
Wow. So making a difference, on a Monday or any day is really starting to understand how we can help other people, even through the pain that we go through. Most of the time, our suffering helps others. Thank you so much for sharing.
Pleasure.
Speak soon.
Thank you.
Bye.